All right, welcome back, everybody. Fields of Fire 2 by GMT Games. We are going to assault Peleliu. We're on the initial assault. I've got my third squad's coming in along with my third platoon leader in the first round with a little bit of support. A machine gun, bazooka, a couple flamethrowers, and the mortar FO. Not really too concerned with the mortar FO. I have one round, one fire mission of naval gunfire, so he's expendable. That brings us to getting started, quit playing around, and I want to make sure before I start things are still working right. I have so much trouble with these fire teams. They're working this time. This is like my fourth or fifth start because all of a sudden this is my modification of Joel Toppin's original Fields of Fire, and I mean, it's not one I spent a lot of time on. I transferred the art over. I did a little bit here and there to get get the game working, just so I could play it. And I mean, I like the other one, but I got to go in and put my logs in. To me, it's a must. I got to have my logs. I love these logs. And I've got to put the this in. I've got to do that, and I also like all my play aids because I just hate having charts all over my desk. I don't have a whole lot of room, so there's a lot of work I got to do to make that one work yet. And I'd already had this one set up before that came out, so I'm going to keep using this until I get my act together on that one. Pardon me there, wet my whistle because I'm having a hell of a day recording today. Nervous as crap now for some reason. All right, so let's get out of our sequence of play, being as we do have it. Go straight down to the company initiative in the activation segment. Company headquarters. Get rid of our pieces and action card, and we need that, and we need this, and we also need this, and company gunny. All right. In this mission, all red smoke and pyrotechnics are ceasefire. All greens are shift fire. Um, yellow and purple are for attacking primary and secondary objective. Yellow being for primary and purple for being secondary. XO, or not XO, First Sergeant Gunny carry them. Let's see what we got here in the way of orders. Company HQ 567 because there's no contact. He will activate everybody, I think, but the mortar section, and that'll just take him out of commands. XO +2 gets 6. First Sergeant +2 gets 4. Nice. Getting them draws. First Platoon +1 only gets 3. Wow. Second Platoon 0 gets 4, but he can only keep 3. Third Platoon 0, 3. That's all he can keep. MG Platoon Veteran +2 is an 8. Nice, but he really can't use them. Not a lot he can do with his orders. Mortar section, not yet. Company Gunny 5. All right, and then we got mortar section in the initiative phase. He is green. That's going to be a -1 +1 0. He gets 2 orders. That's it for orders. We will activate our LVTs, soon to be Rex. And That brings us all the way down to vehicle and aircraft phase already. So we're just going to go ahead and move these guys in. While we do that, I'm going to go ahead and bring my second wave up. So they're available for next time. I got company gunning coming in on second wave. Try and get some company coordination going. Hopefully he makes it. Every time I play Peleliu, and that includes the 3 or 4 starts that I've already done this time, I keep stopping because I'm doing something wrong or I'm finding something I don't like in the module. My company gunny doesn't make it ashore, so we'll see how it makes out this time. We go to update fire missions none. Evaluate potential contacts. Actually, these guys are all done. And we will go for contact. We do not have contact. 2. And it's going to be automatic, so we'll just go ahead and get a 4. And 4 is Peleliu 1 to 3. 1, which I believe is mortar. Mortar, yep, plotted mortar fire going to be a -3, single mission only. That flips over to the incoming side because that gets resolved right away. Second one, and it puts us at contact now. Second one, we're going to draw 7 cards for. It's going to be the first guy over here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got contact. That's going to be 3, which I believe is again another mortar contact. Yes. So we will just go ahead and copy that one over. And that puts us up to engaged. And the next one is this guy right here. And we will get 5 cards for him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing there. And the last guy, 5 cards for him also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got lucky on that one too. That takes us to combat effects segment. There is none. Cleanup phase. Got that done. And then we'll get ready to move on to turn number 2. And we will do that in another video. Thanks for joining me. And we will see you next time.